Here's a quick tip on some clouds. So typically I use an HDRI, very high quality, and I can use it as my backplate as well. I couldn't find one that worked, so I used the V-Ray Sun and Sky. And so now in Photoshop I'm going to paint in my clouds. So what I do is I add a layer, I fill it with black, I make the layer screen, and then I have brushes. So I have this library of Joe Grimes Cloud and Skies. That'd be quite large, so I just paste it to get a feel, and then I undo until I can align the top edge and the side edge. And that's okay, but I don't really like the clouds, so let's try another brush. Thumbnails are okay. I want something that's a little more broke up because this is a tropical scene. So let's try that one. Oh, I want the horizon line in there too, so it just can't be a floating cloud. Let's try that one. It's not going to be large enough width-wise. That one, nope. Let's do that one. That might work. Okay. Nope, that's too much cloud. So it's trial and error to get the right cloud. And I have other brushes, other cloud brushes I can go through. Let me stick with this. I'll land on something here shortly. I kind of like that one, so I'm gonna pick that one. We'll make it larger. Drop it in there. Control T. Let's make it a little larger. Let's go 150%. I just want to get a hint of depth and some clouds in the background. Let's go with that. So here in my layered PSD, I have a mask here. So I'm going to control click and copy it to my clipboard. Control C. Come back. I'm going to make a mask. Alt click. Paste into. And then invert. Undo. Deselect and invert. Control click out of it, so now it masks. It masks it. And I'm not very happy with that. So let's try this one more time. I'm going to fill it back with black. Edit fill. I could go foreground and just pick black here. Let's do black. Let's try. I'm going to try that very first one that we went to. I think that's the best. Yeah, that's much better. So it's already using that mask. And I think I'm perfectly fine with that. So I'm going to collapse it. So this is pre-post-production. So it'll look a lot more real with some color grading and stuff. But that's how I do some clouds if I don't have an HDRI. And I hope it helps somebody.